are going to learn on how to draw an elephant step by step. Let's start with an elephant's head. Ready? Now let's draw a square for an elephant's head. Let's leave a gap here. Next is, let's draw an elephant's ears. 2 big ears. 1 big ear. 2 big ears. And the next step is, let's draw a curved back of an elephant. Let's start in the top. This is an elephant's back. And the next is, let's draw a slanting line. A slanting line for an elephant's body. Next, let's draw 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Next, let's draw a trunk. This is an elephant's trunk. And let's add lines on the trunk too. Let's add lines. Ready? 1 line, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Now, let's draw an elephant's face. Let's start with an elephant's eyes. 1 eye, 2 eyes, and let's draw an elephant's mouth. This is an elephant's mouth. And what's missing? Yeah, an elephant's tail. Let's draw an elephant's tail.